Diamond solutions for mathematics. Now we are discussing some questions relating second degree equations. Solve for x. 4 raised to 1 plus x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x equals 10. I am once more repeating 4 raised to 1 plus x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x equals 10. That we can split this as 4 as 2 raised to 2, the whole raised to 1 plus x plus, instead of 4, 2 raised to 2, the whole raised to 1 minus x equals 10. A raised to m, the whole raised to n equals a raised to mn. Therefore, 2 raised to 2 into 1 plus x, that is 2 raised to 2 plus 2x plus 2 raised to 2 into 1 minus x, that is plus 2 raised to 2 minus 2x equals 10. Here I am splitting a raised to m plus n, a raised to m into a raised to n. That is 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to a raised to m minus n is a raised to m by a raised to n. That is 2 raised to 2 minus 2x is plus 2 raised to 2 by 2 raised to 2x equals 10. Let 2 raised to 2x be y. Therefore, 2 raised to 2 into y plus 2 raised to 2 by y. 2 raised to 2 into y plus 2 raised to 2 by y equals 10. That is, I am rewriting this as 2 raised to 2 into y plus 2 raised to 2 by y equals 10. The equation comes like this. Then we can simplify 2 raised to 2 as 4. 4y plus 4 by y equals 10. That is, taking y as common denominator, 4y squared plus 4 by y equals 10. That is, 4y squared plus 4 equals 10y. Y is cross multiplied with the 10. Then, arranging the terms, 4y squared minus 10y plus 4 equals 0 as a second degree equation or quadratic equation. Then, using the concept of splitting the middle term, 4y squared minus 8y minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. That is 4y squared minus 8y plus minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Grouping the terms like this. Then taking the common factor, 4y into y minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 into y minus 2. Minus 2 is taken out. Therefore, this plus vanishes and minus 2 I have taken common. Minus 2 into y minus 2 equals 0. That is 4y into y minus 2 minus 2 into y minus 2 equals 0. Here, y minus 2 is the common factor among the two terms here. Therefore, y minus 2 taking common, 4y minus 2 first term and y minus 2 second term equals 0. Therefore, using zero factor theorem, 4y minus 2 equals 0. That is 4y equals 2, y equals 2 by 4. Y equals 2 by 4. I defined the value of y here. Next term, y minus 2 equals 0. That is y equals 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 1. Here, y equals 2 by 4. That is y equals 1 by 2. The reduced form. That is 2 raised to 2x. Here, y equals 2 raised to 2x. Let 2 raised to 2x be y. Therefore, instead of y, I am substituting 2 raised to 2x equals 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is making confused here. Therefore, I am taking this 2 to the numerator as 2 raised to minus 1. That is 2 raised to 2x equals 2 raised to minus 1. The bases are same. Therefore, we can equate the powers. Therefore, 2x equals minus 1. Therefore, x equals minus 1 by 2. Here, y minus 2 equals 0, y equals 2 raised to 1. That is 2 raised to 2x equals 2 raised to 1. The base numbers are 2 and 2 same. Therefore, I am equating the powers. Therefore, 2x equals 1, x equals 1 by 2. Here, x equals minus 1 by 2 and x equals 1 by 2. They are asking to solve x. Therefore, here we can conclude. Hence, the required solutions are minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. That's all. Here, once more, don't make here confused. Y equals 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is reduced in the form 1 by 2. Y equals 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 when taking to the numerator, 2 raised to 2x equals 1 by 2. That is 2 raised to 2x equals. This 2 when comes to the numerator, 2 raised to minus 1. Therefore, the bases are same. Therefore, we can equate the powers. Therefore, 2x equals minus 1. That is x equals minus 1 by 2. Here, similarly, here 2 raised to 2x equals 2 raised to 1. Here, the less confusion, 2 raised to 2x equals 2 raised to 1 obtained the result. Therefore, powers when equated, 2x equals 1, x equals 1 by 2. Such a way we defined the values of x to be minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and concluded as the final result.